Introduction to attitude. Attitude is the product of mental process. Development of positive attitude is essential to happier life. In psychology, an attitude is a psychological construct. It is a mental and emotional entity. They are complex and an acquired state through experiences. It is an individual's predisposed state of mind regarding a value, and it is precipitated through a responsive expression towards a person, place, thing, which in turn influences the individual's thoughts and actions. Prominent psychologist Gordon Allport once described attitudes as the most distinctive and indispensable concept in contemporary social psychology. Attitude can be formed from a person's past and present. Key topics in the study of attitude include attitude measurement, attitude change, behavior, and attitude behavior relationship, way of act to environment. Positive and negative attitude. Positive attitude empowers health. Development of positive attitude is essential to happier life. Knowledge of attitude help to nursing. Provide comprehensive care due to client. What is meant by attitude? A settled way of thinking or feeling, typically reflected in a person's behavior. Can you define attitude? Attitude is defined as a psychological tendency that is expressed by evaluating a particular entity with some degree of favor or disfavor. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.